Gratitude for joining us today for Soulful Sundays as we dive deeply into honoring self and the heart space. This is Lisa Legs, Ask Lisa Legs. It's an honor to serve. I have here with me the collection of Season 1 and 2 affirmations from the morning show, aka the Foundation and Resonation Decks. Let us continue to celebrate our growth, which was actually the true affirmation at the bottom of the deck, Self-Awareness 2.1, as I pick it up and I start shuffling. It's the gifts for me. Whoa, 2 affirmations jumped right out. Self-Awareness 4.2, gently reflect. And being mindful 4.2, love is the motivation. Wow, I couldn't script this if I wanted to. At the bottom of the foundation deck, we have Temperance 4.2, I lovingly adjust. Oh, this is such a beautiful message already. I'm so grateful for us having this aligned right before, the Happy Heart Day that everybody likes to celebrate and buy gifts for each other for consumerism purposes. And I'd like to say, every day the 14th. Word to Outcast. So we have 4 affirmations from the Resonation deck here. And at the bottom of the Resonation deck, we have Inner Child 2.4, I am sensitive. Is anybody else noticing a pattern with these numbers? We just had 4.2 3 times, and now we have 2.4. Okay, paying attention. These 4 affirmations from the Resonation deck are only from 2 of the 3 topics discussed in the collection. We have Inner Child and Synchronicity. Inner Child 2.2, I may shed tears. So fitting, because if we don't ease the pressure off our chest and shed some tears, allowing ourselves to tap into that compassionate grace given to children, because everybody expects a child to cry, right? Inner Child 2.2, Master number 22, I may shed tears. Dare I say, a master of the heart space is not afraid to cry. Synchronicity 3.6, learn all the lessons. Learn all the lessons. When it comes to building heart space, that's an important thing to remember when you're in a situation where you might feel some contention. We talked about triggers last week. I don't need to go into that. Inner Child 3.5, I am true to me. And Synchronicity 2.2, all in due time. It's so interesting because this actually correlates into the Healthy Boundaries and Honoring Self segment that I'm honored to share in a few. So we have 6 affirmations from 2 decks, and the number 4.2 coming out 4 times. Master number 22 coming out twice. Inner Child Masters and Synchronicity Masters. Because as masters of self, we embrace everything that happens to us as a divine alignment. It's the synchronicity. It's even serendipity. Nothing is coincidence, right? So since Synchronicity 2.2 is here all in due time, with Temperance 4.2 at the bottom of the deck, I lovingly adjust. Temperance is the art of balance, life balance. I lovingly adjust, knowing that everything is going to come true for me in due time, because I'm tapping into my inner divinity. And I do that every time I honor myself. By being true to me, Inner Child 3.5, I am true to me. Synchronicity 3.6, learn all the lessons. It goes right with these inner child affirmations, because when we think about children are here to learn, right? That's all we think about, how children are here to learn. And we're always learning, so that inner child is, always there yearning to learn all the lessons. Because in life cycles, considering the synchronicity of things, I notice that everything is always positioning me when I repeat a situation to learn the lessons I missed last time I was in a similar situation, So I position myself to be compassionate with myself when I get that self-awareness. because I honor myself in that awareness. Because gratitude for awareness, right? Inner child 2.2, I may shed tears. Tears of joyous gratitude to finally see what I've been doing to mess up this whole time so I can do better. Tears of relief for figuring it out. Tears of joy for now having options to maximize or modify and do better. Because love is the motivation. Being mindful 4.2, the foundation, affirmation. Round 4 means finale, graduation. Because it's only 4 rounds in the cycle for each journey as implemented in these decks. That 4 is very powerful today. I'm going to sit on it. Love is the motivation for me personally, because it's the fuel of my cognitive evolution. I keep unlocking more of my brain, but that's the nerd talk. Love is the motivation, so some shed tears because I know my heart gets stronger. My heart gets stronger when I gently reflect. Self-awareness 4.2. I can reflect harshly and cuss myself out, but it might cause my heartstrings to get brittle with bracing for impact and being tough, right? When the soft, supple strength in my heart muscles is what I need. So I'm gonna massage my heart by gentle thoughts as I consider how I had caught up and effed up when I messed up. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we gotta gently reflect. Tough love is not always the best love. Inner child work, right? Are you always tough with children, or do you give them gentle enforcement and reinforcement? Let's give that to ourselves. Inner child 2.4 at the bottom of the resonation deck. I am sensitive. Let's not act like we're still not sensitive, right? As we lovingly adjust, as we learn more about ourselves. Gratitude for honoring self and the heart space.